If you want to set up the Java Home Environment variable on your Windows 10 PC, just make sure you've watched our previous video on how to install Java first. The link is right there in the description. If you're not sure whether Java is already installed on your machine, don't worry, we can quickly check that. Go ahead and open Command Prompt, type the following command and hit Enter. If you see a Java version number like this on your screen, that means Java is already installed and we can move forward. To do that, we need to locate Java installation folder on your C drive. From there, open Program Files and then open Java folder. Inside Java folder, you'll see JDK folder. Go ahead and open it. Once you're inside, click on address bar at the top and copy that path. Go to the Windows search bar and type System Environment. Then open Edit the System Environment Variables. Make sure Advanced tab is selected, then click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables section, click on New. You'll see two input fields. For variable name, type Java_home. For variable value, paste the path you copied earlier. After that, click OK, then click OK again to close all windows. Now, to verify everything, open Command Prompt again, type in this command, and press Enter. If the Java JDK path appears in the command prompt, that means everything is set up correctly. So that's how you can set up the Java Home Environment variable on a Windows 10 PC.